Okay, hello. This is a scene from Spike Lee's film in 2002 called The 25th Hour. And we're going to look at this as an exercise with mise en scène. Now remember from our reading, mise en scène is defined as that which has been put into the scene or put on stage. Mise en scène consists of all of the elements placed in front of the camera to be photographed. Settings, props, lighting, costumes, makeup, figure behavior, meaning actors and gestures. It also includes the camera actions, the angles, the cinematography, basically everything. We, in this class, look at mise en scène to find information about the story that's being told, and in particular, how it's being told. The great Roger Ebert said, a movie is never what it's about, how it's about what it's about. And that's what we do in this class, look at the how. So in this scene, this is from the 25th Hour, this is a story of three friends. They grew up together, they were best friends when they were young, they've grown apart a bit. One is a English teacher, one is a stockbroker, and one is a drug dealer. The drug dealer has been arrested, tried, convicted. He's going away to jail for 10 years. And his two friends, the stockbroker and the teacher, are throwing this little party together. We're going to watch the scene without my commentary, and then we'll back it up and watch it again with my commentary.